Are your sales going down and you have no idea why? Are you struggling to find out the reason because there is no visibility of your data? With great effort, you identify that customers are not making repeat purchases since the last few months and want to run targeted campaigns to win them back. Now comes the hard part: how to do this in a repeatable way without committing to a large number of tech resources or spending on multiple tools to load, process and then sync data to and from multiple platforms. Here's DataChannel, a no-code platform which lets you load, transform and operationalize your data in a single tool without requiring tech specialists. Let's say you're an e-commerce business and your sales have gone down drastically over the last 60 days. DataChannel moves your customer data to your data warehouse using pre-built integrations to all major e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon and many more. Using transformations and segment builder, you can create segments to identify users who have not made a purchase in the last 60 days. Using DataChannel's Reverse-ETL, you upload that set of audiences to marketing platforms, email tools for a targeted campaign on customer activation. And there it is. You saved your time, you saved your money, and since it is a no-code platform, you saved your resources. DataChannel,